Hey guys, so this is going to be your AP Bio test breakdown. Okay, so your test is now going to be Monday, May 18th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, which means 1 p.m. for us. Okay, so your test, I just forgot to change that, sorry, but your test is Monday, May 18th at 1 p.m. Now, it's going to be 2 FRQs. 45 minutes total. You're going to have one 25-minute FRQ with a 5-minute answer time, like to actually submit your answer. Now, the reason they're giving a 5-minute answer submit time is because, literally everybody in the country is going to be submitting their FRQs at the same time. So they wanted to, give you some time in case there's some lagging and, some basic issues with actually uploading your answers. Then the second FRQ is going to be 15 minutes with another 5-minute submitting answer time. Now the 25-minute and 15-minute, those are timed. Okay, so you literally only have those 25 minutes and then those 15 minutes for those questions. Now, the 5-minute submit answer time does not let you edit your question response at all. That's straight up just to submit it. Okay. So do not think that means, I actually have 30 minutes for this question and 20 minutes for this one. No, you have a solid 25 minutes and then a solid 15. You can use your phone, iPad, tablet, laptop, desktop, whatever for taking the exam. If you have issues with technology or internet or whatever, let me know and we can figure it out. Or you can go ahead and contact College Board through this website by April 24th, which is this Friday. Okay, so you can contact them by this Friday if you're going to have technology issues. Now, you're going to have two options for actually giving your answers. So you can type your answers on the electronic device, so open up a document in Word or something like that, save it, and then upload it. Or you can handwrite your answers, take a picture with your phone, and then submit the picture itself. So this is kind of the breakdown of the questions. So the first question is going to be all about interpreting and evaluating experimental results. It's going to be an 8 to 10 point question. Okay, so they're going to present you with some sort of lab experiment with data in a table or a graph. So they're going to give you the graph or the table. You're not going to have to create one, but they're going to give you one so that way you need to actually be able to interpret what the data means. That's why I've been giving you so many FRQs for practice weekly where you create the graph, because if you can create the graph, then you should have no problem interpreting one. Okay, this question specifically is going to be focused on describing and explaining biological concepts, processes, or models, identifying experimental design procedures, analyzing the data, making and justifying predictions. Then the second FRQ, that's 15 minutes, is going to be a 4-point question, and it's going to all be conceptual. So what that means is you're going to just basically describe, explain, predict, or justify certain biological concepts or processes. So it's not going to be like an experiment where you have to analyze the results or anything like that. It's just going to be describe the endosymbiotic theory, that type of thing. Okay. So the testing date for you guys is Monday, May 18th at 1 p.m. from your home on whatever device you're going to use. If you cannot make that date, the makeup date is going to be Wednesday, June 3rd at 3 p.m. Okay, but that's only if you have a conflict with May 18th, and that must be validated or proved by us, the school. So if you're going to have a conflict, you have to contact me or Mr. Lehman, so that way we can get it authorized that it will conflict with that, and we can get you set up for the makeup date. but you have to give us proof. Okay. So that means for those of us that are working and everything like that, we need to make sure we ask off or we are not working a shift during this time. Okay, because you want to make sure you have full connection, you can take your time and write out your answers and everything like that. If you have any issues or questions with this, then let me know. The exam, so you take it on the 18th, and the exams will be returned to us, teachers, by May 26th. So you will be able to know your scores fairly quickly since there's only 2 FRQs. So we have 6 weeks to get through this. So we're going to finish exploring the rest of our units. We're going to focus on those science practices. So all the practice questions and everything I'm giving you is focusing on those science practices that those 2 FRQs are going to be on. And we're going to, in the couple weeks of review beforehand, we're going to utilize the practice exams that College Board has uploaded. That's going to be similar to what you are going to get in the actual AP test. Now, I did go over this with you guys a week or so ago. So this is actually 5 weeks till the test. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, any issues, anything like that, you need to let me know now. Once again, if you need the technology questions for College Board, send it to them by April 24th, which is this Friday. But any other questions or concerns that you have, please, please, please let me know. Okay? I think that's it. Okay. Bye, guys.